Now you are ready for Lesson 30 Exit Ticket. You need to get this piece of paper and a pencil. Pause the video if you need to get your materials together. All right, friends, we are going to be drawing picture number bonds to solve a problem. You learned about picture number bonds in the Lesson 30 math video. You will be drawing your picture number bond in this empty space. Then you will fill out this number bond with your numbers, and if you want to challenge yourself, even add some labels. Down here, you will be writing the addition number sentence and the subtraction number sentence. Once you find your answer to the problem, you will write it here. When we draw, remember we are drawing quick and simple. So the math way is drawing circles. Circles are quick and simple. I'm going to read your story problem today. If at any time you need to pause the video to draw your math picture, feel free to do so. Toby collects shells. On Monday, he finds 6 shells. On Tuesday, he finds some more. Toby finds a total of 9 shells. How many shells does Toby find on Tuesday? I'm going to read it one more time for you. Toby collects shells. On Monday, he finds 6 shells. On Tuesday, he finds some more. Toby finds a total of 9 shells. How many shells does Toby find on Tuesday? Draw your picture number bond. Fill in a number bond. Your addition sentence, subtraction sentence, and the answer to how many shells he finds on Tuesday.